Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and I'm back at Aldi, but I'm not doing my normal grocery haul. I am doing a Thanksgiving feast haul. Now, Aldi has put out a publication where they lowered prices to make a Thanksgiving feast for $47. And I want to see how much would a Thanksgiving feast that I would buy cost for a similar amount of people. Now, my mom and I are not spending Thanksgiving together this year, and I thought it would be fun, since I'm going somewhere and I'm not making a big meal, to buy all of these groceries and gift them to her, so it's like I'm a part of Thanksgiving with her, but I'm not there with her. So on top of getting the basics for a Thanksgiving feast, at the end, I'm gonna add on some Aldi fun favorites to make her day a little more delicious, as if you need that on Thanksgiving. But I'm excited to get in and see how my total compares to all these $47, and I'm going to share with you some of their sale items and what I would do differently. Let's go. So this Aldi is fairly new, and it's in the town I grew up in, but it wasn't here when I was a kid. But this way I can make sure everything stays fresh and cold when I give it to my mama. Right when you walk in, you can see this is one of their more savings, more feasting items, fresh cranberries. But I think I'm gonna get her jellied cranberries instead, because that's what we always had growing up, not homemade stuff. But those are 99 cents. And I like that they have these little more savings, more feasting icons, so you can know what you're looking for. Okay, Aldi has baby carrots for, let's say, I think it's a pound, yep, for 95 cents, or $1.59 for not baby carrots for 2 pounds, and I just like these so much better, so I'm gonna get the non-pressed version, $1.49. Okay, first thing, yellow onions, $1.69. Now, I'm not actually entirely sure what they plan people to use these for, but I'm thinking adding more flavor to the turkey if you cook it, for the stuffing, same as the celery that we're about to get. So the onions are $1.69. And the celery is 95 cents, so I'll get one of these. Celery and onion, great flavor additions, of course. And they have sweet potatoes, 3 pounds for $1.99. But I'm gonna skip those and try to get the casserole instead. And here's the truth, neither my mom nor I like sweet potatoes. But they are $1.99. Okay, so it says a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes should be $3.49, but it's $4.49, and it's not marked as a Thanksgiving item, but I'm still gonna get it because potatoes are definitely a necessity. Okay, so they have cut green beans that are cheaper than the French, but I love French for green bean casserole, and I am going to get 4 of these for green bean casserole, 63 cents a piece. Okay, so this is more than the cranberries alone, but you don't have to add sugar, you don't have to add anything, and honestly, as I mentioned, this is what we grew up with. So I'm gonna get the jellied cranberry sauce. They also have the whole berries, but this is the one I like. So they have ingredients to make pumpkin pie, but they didn't put eggs, which I thought was funny because you need it to make the pie. But these are half off. I'm gonna remember that, but I was thinking maybe frozen, and of course this won't last until actual Thanksgiving. Okay, so they did not mention butter, which to me is ridiculous. So I definitely need butter if I'm making stuff for Thanksgiving, $3.49. Okay, for pumpkin pie, you definitely need to get whipped topping. That is marked $2.19. And then I'm gonna get a whole gallon of 2% milk because I need this to make mashed potatoes, and then I figure people could drink it too. $2.79, but how do you buy potatoes without butter or milk and expect to make mashed potatoes? You can't. We'll come back for eggs if we're gonna make the pie homemade. We'll see. We're still debatable on that. But they have all this turkey, which is on sale, some of it. But what I like better are these turkey breasts. And Aldi used to have their own, but I don't see it. I just see the butterball. But it's $10.99. And I know not everyone just eats the breast like we do, but I think this is really convenient and it's super cost effective. So this is $10.99, and again, it's just the breast. So that's what I'm gonna go with. They cook really easy in an Instant Pot. Aldi does have a Kirkwood bone-in turkey breast, and that's actually $1.49 a pound, but I'm still sticking with the turkey breast boneless. Now, a pumpkin pie here is $4.99. They did talk about buying pumpkin. They didn't mention eggs, and they also mentioned evaporated milk, and the crust is 2 crusts, but you only get stuff to make 1 pie. So I didn't think that made sense, so I'm just gonna get 1 single pie here. That's $4.99. Now, I don't think 1 pie would be enough for 10 people, but I know that is enough for my mom. I was gonna get her a strawberry rhubarb pie if they still had some of those too, even though it's not really budget friendly, but I knew she'd like it, but they don't have any, dang it. Now, I didn't get anything to make sweet potatoes, no marshmallows, no sweet potatoes, and I was gonna get a sweet potato casserole, but they don't have them here. They still have them at my local Aldi, but not here. And since my mom nor I like sweet potatoes, I'm just gonna skip it, but I was gonna do that instead. We did see that they had the marshmallows and the bag of sweet potatoes on sale. But they don't have it, so I'm gonna take the L on this one. And really, it's not a big deal since my mom nor I would actually want it. Okay, so these are also on the Aldi Savers $1.79 rules. I really like these. And then I'm seeing all this red sticker bread, which is kind of tripping me up because I don't have much room in my freezer, but look at all this. Artisan flatbreads, Italian loaf of bread, mini naans, sandwich ciabatta rolls, and bistro bread. Okay, I'm actually gonna get this to take home tonight, even though this has nothing to do with the haul, but I'm gonna eat it tonight. We won't count this in my haul total at the end. Okay, the chicken broth is 99 cents in Aldi Savers. I'll get one of those. They have lots of stuffings here, but I think this one looks pretty good, and it's on the More Savings, More Feasting. I'm gonna get 2 boxes. This is another thing you need butter for, which I can't believe they didn't put butter on the list. But 75 cents a piece. Of course, for the green bean casserole, you need French onions, $1.79. Okay, so this says I only need 3 cans of green beans, so I can put one of those back. But you also need milk for this. Another reason I added milk to the list, and I need cream of mushroom soup. So I can put 1 can of green beans back, but this is needed, my favorite dish. Okay, cream of mushroom soup down here is 68 cents a can for the green bean casserole, of course. Okay, pumpkin and evaporated milk are on the list from Aldi, and they are marked down, but I bought a pie instead of making it. Okay, so I can't make, oh, garlic powder's back. Yay, garlic powder, 99 cents. And onion powder. I can't make mashed potatoes without these. They're 99 cents a piece and a must buy for me. My favorite seasonings to use. I'm in the Aldi Pines food aisle. They also have lots of different jalapeno cornbread stuffing, Italian sausage flavored mix. They have stovetop down there. So if you want a variety to choose from, you're gonna be able to get it for stuffings. The prices vary as well. Oh, they also have herb stuffing mix here, but that's not in their 75-cent sale. It is 95 cents. Now, I'm going to tell you guys the actual price of just the Thanksgiving stuff, but I'm going to try to add a few fun things I think my mom would like. I think she'd like this peanut brittle, $1.99. And I know she'd like these, $3.79. I probably should know, but I don't, what kind of wine my mom likes. And I know nothing about wine to pair it, but since I love this so much, I'm going to gift her my favorite one because I don't know that she'd ever get this on her own. But I want to know what she thinks of it, so she can have blueberry wine with her dinner at some point. $3.99. Okay, now this isn't true Thanksgiving, so I will kind of give you a price and then an adjusted price. But I want to give her some like snacking stuff. My mom loves mustards. $2.99 and $4.99 for the crackers, the assorted entertainment crackers here. Those are $4.99, and then I'm gonna get her this feta cheese olives, $2.99. You guys, I've been looking for red sticker chicken. I'm not by my house, and I have these too for half off. But I don't really want to drive with it in my car after I meet my mom. Dang it. And I'm gonna get her a port wine cheese ball, $2.49. And then I want to look for the tray of cheeses. I don't see it. Oh no. Oh, right here. This is what I'm looking for. $4.49. Nope, that is not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. $4.49 for all those cheeses. So I have two totals going. This is for the true Thanksgiving meal, I think. And then I have my extras up here that I've added that are more geared towards surprising my mom. Just fun things I think she'd like. Any guesses on what the first and the total will be? Okay, I'm changing feta olives for the blue cheese olives. My mom will like those more. I saw them on my way to the register. I'm running from the register. I completely forgot gravy because I just did. So I'm gonna get 2 packs of this because we're a gravy loving family, 59 cents a piece. Brown gravy is on sale, but why do you want brown gravy when you're having turkey, right? Okay, on my way back, please don't time out on me. Yay! Okay, so I've added all of this up and it's kind of crazy. The total is $47.76 for my version. And Aldi's version was $47 as well. So I guess we're pretty close, even though I did it differently. But now let's add on all the goodies. Okay, so my total with the extras for my mom is $75.72. And now we can pack up and go. I had so much fun shopping for this. Here it is all loaded up, ready to give to my mama. And if you want to see another Aldi haul that's different from my normal weekly grocery hauls, you can check out this video right here. I love Aldi, I love seeing what's in store, and I love sharing it with you. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.